Hey, good morning, folks. I wanted to share a special little thing I had to use recently in a project, and it calculates. You start with a time, and let's just start with this time and show how it's formatted. So in cell A2, my formatting, custom date and time, I have it set up to be hour, minute, AM, PM, and I want that time to be, that's the way I want the time displayed. Okay. And then over here in these columns, I have this custom number format. And if I enter a number, any number into the cell, it's going to display X number of minutes. And notice there's a quote space minutes. So let's see what happens if I put 4 minutes in. I put in a 4, and what populates in the cell is 4 minutes. And this can be confusing because the cell value is 4, but it says 4 minutes. So if you see something like this in your sheets that you might encounter, and you wonder how can you calculate and add minutes if that says 4 minutes, you wouldn't think that that is a number, but it is, and it's because of the special formatting, custom number format, applying it that way. Okay, so then in this cell, what we're doing, we're saying if B2 is blank. So if this is blank, this cell here, if that's blank, then we don't want to do anything. Okay, we leave it, we leave this cell blank. So if this is blank, that's blank. And then if it is not blank, then so this is an if statement. So here's my if statement. Let's just show that this is my logical expression. This is the value if true, a blank. This is the value. This is the value if false. And what we do with that value is we take A2, that time, and we add, and then we use the time function and put in how many minutes. No hours, no seconds, just how many minutes. So time function looks like that, hour, minute, second. So we're just adding that many minutes. So now if I put in a 10 and a 10 and a 5 and a 25, you can see it's pulling forth 10 minutes takes me to 640, 10 minutes 650, 5 minutes 655, 25 minutes 720. So a handy little way to get a time calculation in here based on minutes, and yet the minutes display. Now I can notice I can add this up, and the sum is 50 minutes. So that's kind of nice. 10, 20, 45, 50, yes. So we can use this as a number even though it displays minutes, and this formula lets us calculate when the next time is after this duration of 10 minutes.